playing on my top.
Oops, all on coops, I'm just on. I keep a gang of bad bitches with me too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a faded get ready with me. Really not going nowhere, just gotta run a couple errands, so I'm not finna get too dressy on y'all. But yeah, I'm finna go take a shower, brush my teeth, and come right back. So we are back. You see, bonnet is off, edges is crusty. We're gonna get into that later. But y'all know we got the blizzy rolled up. We finna get high. And y'all know we gotta have the essentials. Gotta have you some gum, cause it's for the combo. Like, you gotta have gum. The fuck? And you gotta have your water. And this, cause what you doing? How you gonna get your shit lit? Anyways, we finna get lit, bitch. Got this gum in my mouth. Tasting good. So normally I would like listen to music right now, but like I'm just chilling, you know, catching a vibe. I wanted to do my makeup for this video, but like not be talking like I know how to do makeup. Like I need to make a video where I do my makeup for the first time, cause I don't know how to do my makeup. All I know how to do is a fucking lip combo, bruh. I'm not going nowhere. Like I'm gonna be in the house for real. Once I get back from doing errands, like nobody's for real finna see me. So lip combo be a must. Like I have the best lip combo. That two-tone, y'all better get into it. So story time. So next weekend, February 18th, I'm gonna be going to ATL, right? Finna be getting my tattoo finished, yo. But like, listen, it's already supposed to be done, y'all. Like, it was supposed to be done months ago. Like, I went to Nashville to get this shit done. $400 for a piece of bullshit, bruh. And that's only because, y'all, let me tell you, the nigga that did my shit, bruh, the dude that did my tattoo, y'all, he asked me out, like, to go out, get drinks and shit like that. And I'm like, no, because, like, one, he had a girlfriend. Two, you're not my type. Three, way older than I am. Like, no, like, what do you think this was? Like, what do you think this is? And, like, so when I went to go get that shit, like, finished, because it was 2 trips. When I went to go get it finished, he like fucked my shit up, like to where like I've asked every single tattoo shop where I stay at, y'all, and they like, no, they can't do nothing. Like they can't fix that shit. So I had to hit up this dude in Atlanta. He can work with that shit. So like, really hurry up. Fuck. I'm gonna go get that shit done. Really fucked me up, y'all. Like you don't do that to somebody, like you don't. But anyways, I'm finna get right, so it don't even matter. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with this macaron. I don't know how to say that. Argan oil skincare. So just put like 2 squirts and get more if I need it, but I'll probably need more for my forehead. after that, I go in with Wet n Wild brow gel. Yeah, what was I finna do next? Oh, the lip combo. I go in with this brown eyeliner. So let me get this.
Who the fuck are you?
Then I go in with this Superstay ink crayon. It's Maybelline New York. It's like a burgundy color. On the top lip. Then down. I have this CoverGirl pink lip gloss, but I don't know where I just put it at. I go in with this pink lip gloss at the bottom. So I just did my edges. I don't really suggest this at all, y'all, so I just got it right now. Yep. Y'all, it's not even on, bruh. We are back and we are up and running, y'all. I'm always scared I'm gonna burn myself. This thing be hot. Alright, so we are done getting ready. Finna take some pictures real quick and then go run these errands. So
Look how good you treated him. You could birth like 4 of him. Girl, you never needed him. But they still need you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that L, you lose.
I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe to my channel before y'all go, cause y'all be tripping, right? Alright, y'all. So what y'all used to run with? Like, what do y'all smoke?